Oh my goodness, somebody about to hit the streets and act a fool.
Say you'll never let me go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am April Sunny, and in today's video, we are installing and reviewing Nadula Kinky Straight V-part wig. If you'd like to see a full review on this wig, then definitely keep on watching. I'd like to thank Nadula for sponsoring this video, so let's get into the box. Inside the box, as you can see, they give you this little gift bag. It has hair clips in it, which is going to come in handy, as well as these really long lashes, a scarf, and a light wig cap. And actually there was two others at the bottom of the box. This is 24-inch Brazilian hair. It's a kinky straight V-part wig with a density of 150. Okay, so you have two hair clips on either side of the V part. There's one at the bottom, which I'm probably going to take out. You have your hair combs on each side of the wig, as well as one at the bottom of the wig for your nape. And then, of course, you have your adjustable straps. So here I'm just running my fingers through the wig to see if there's any shedding, and of course I just smelled it to see if it stinks, because some wigs do come and they smell, honey. And also I wanted to see how it moved straight out of the box. As you can see, this wig is full of body, bounce, and shine straight out of the box. So I am going to dye this hair with Adore Black Velvet. And I'm going to shampoo and condition my hair with the Kenya Moore conditioner. So what I did was the watercolor to dye this wig, and I let it sit for about 30 minutes. This is what the hair looks like when it's wet after I have shampooed and conditioned the hair. I did not deep condition this hair. I only used the Kenya Moore shampoo and conditioner that I showed you. Now, I was getting a little nervous because, as you can see, the wig looks a little thin here, but it is wet, and I wanted to know if it was going to smell. It still did not have that chemical perm smell that some kinky wigs can have. And what I was just showing you here is how much hair was lost during that little detangling session. So to me, that's not much. After I shampooed and conditioned the hair, I just put it on this wig head so it can air dry, and this is what it looks like, basically almost completely air dried. I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry it and then flat iron it to see how it holds heat. Okay, so the next morning I went ahead and sectioned the back half of the wig off because I wanted to go ahead and flat iron this hair while it was still on the wig head. And I am going to use Bio Silk as I go through the sections here. So with this first piece, I wanted to see how it looked with just one heat pass, and I think it looks pretty good. So the second one, I wanted to see how the hair looked when it was curled, and not like curled really harshly or used any, holding spray. One thing I hadn't mentioned to you guys yet, I noticed through working with this hair is super soft, but look at the difference. One side is completely curled and the other is straight, like relaxed straight. I love this hair. So far so good. But I knew I didn't want to wear my hair curly today, so I'm just going to go ahead and straighten this part that I put the curl in, and we're going to straighten the rest of this hair. Just to let you guys know, my iron is set to 430 and I'm only going in each section with one heat pass. So this is what it looks like with one heat pass. Okay, it's time to apply this wig. Say hello to my real hair. Welcome her to the party. Hello, how are you? Here I'm just determining what I want as my leave out. I'll brush the rest of my hair back and put it into a low braid. Using one of the wig caps provided, I'm just going to tuck my braid away and try and cover as much as of the side of my hair as possible where it's not covering my leave out. I mean, do y'all see this bounce and shine? Bounce and shine. So as I said, I am going to remove that middle hair clip because for some reason it just doesn't ever sit well with me. I'm going to take it out, but I'm not going to throw it out because if for any reason I need an extra clip for when I'm making my clip-in extensions from like any wefts, I can certainly use that. So I will not throw it away. I'm hanging on to it. So this is what it looks like with both sides clipped in. I'm glad there's no track area. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the comb in the back and part my hair off in the front. Now you can still see like that wig cap, so I'm just gonna try and push that back. But do you guys see this? The blendage though.
Oh my goodness, somebody about to hit the streets and act a fool.
And my hair is dirty, oily, and weighed down, but sis, tell me this don't look like my relaxed hair before I cut it. And if you say it don't, use a lie.
Ooh, sister girl, sister girl.
Look at ma'am. Look at ma'am showing out. The only thing stiff on this wig is my dirty hair. Okay? Girl, my last kinky straight hair was not giving no flow. Like when I straightened it, it was so stiff. It had a smell to it. I could not get that smell out to save my life. I'm not gonna tell y'all what brand it was. I'm not gonna do that. Just know you'll never see that brand on this channel, period. If you got a medium to big head, this gonna work for you. Or if you have a lot of hair and you need to cover some portions, this is big head approved, okay? This for us big head girls. But of course it do have like the adjustable strap. I am feeling this hair, y'all. I feel like once my hair is clean and I put this joint on, all that gotta go though. Most people would keep that. I'm not one of those people. See, that looks so much better. I will say there was a few gray hairs in there, but that was not an issue for me because I was gonna dye the hair anyway. She's giving. I say buttery honey. Usually like with extensions, after I dye the extensions, whether I'm lightening my extensions or just depositing color, it doesn't matter. I will leave conditioner sitting on my extensions. I did not do that with this hair. I did not. I literally like ran it through and then rinsed it out. It blends in with my relaxed hair. Okay. It straightened very nicely, one pass. It took the color pretty well. The hair stayed soft throughout and I had little to no shedding. This is a 5-star wig. Do I think it's worth the money? I think it's worth the money. Keep in mind, this is my first impression review. I will be wearing and styling this wig often, so I will do an updated review. Make sure your notifications are on. Hey, I'm running right through it like it's nothing. Now, what do need some help is my hair, because my hair is dirty. And it's been, you know, straightened and put so much oil on it, so my hair is a little stiff, but sis is not stiff, okay? All right, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I enjoyed this wig so much. Like, I rock with this wig so tough. I will leave the link to this wig in the description box down below, as well as a discount code, so go and check them out. Yes. You guys, thank you so much for watching my channel, and until the next time, be loved.